Hi guys, Ellen Woodbridge here, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia, and today I wanted to share with you some of my storage tips that I have, and today I'm concentrating on ink pads, markers and watercolour pencils. As you can see here, I do have a bit of a custom ink pad storage that I had before our amazing Stampin' storage came into existence. And what I've done here, I have put 2 packs of our ink pad and marker storage trays. So it comes 5 trays to a set, and I've put 2 here together to show you how the brights come together with our Stampin' Write markers. Now, I normally store my Stampin' Write markers in the big set that I have here. I have my watercolor pencils in one of our full wide cases, but just for today, because when I'm doing some projects, I pop my ink pads in this tray and marker storage, so I know where I'm going, and I also use it to stage my photographs. But it is a fantastic way to have everything there and at easy reach. On top of that, because they are modular in design, I have one of our open cubes, and to finish the stack, I have one of our storage lids. Now, another option for the storage lid, which can go directly on top of the trays, is one of our storage toppers. And you can see here that I have a couple of re-inkers comfortably sitting there. Now, the way I actually store my re-inkers is in one of these full wide cases. Now, I have stamped down the edge of mine. This is a retired stamp set. I've been using this particular storage idea for a long time. I have comfortably put 10 re-inkers in the full wide case, and they just sit on my bookshelf above us here, ready for me to pick out when I need to re-ink my ink pads or I want to use my re-inkers for a technique. Now, if you would like more information on our Stampin' storage or on our cases, please contact me. The information will be below to my online store, and I'll be back with another storage video really soon. Thanks guys, bye.